Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use pay letter on Flexiti financial card. So before we get started though guys, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm gonna go on their official website, on the Flexiti website. So with your Flexiti financial card, you can shop at thousands of retail locations. Select Flexiti at checkout online or talk to a sales representative in the store. So to finance your purchase instantly, it's depending on the retailer. Choose to defer your payments or break up your purchase in equal monthly payments and finance your purchase away for pay later option. So you can use your Flexiti card again and again at over 8,000 retail locations in Flexiti network without needing to reapply. There are equal monthly payment plans, deferred plans, regular credit purchase. So yeah guys, you can apply for it here and give additional information that they may require. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.